Introducing a powerful new hub for your research workflow. Nexis Hub makes it simple to collect information from a variety of Nexis products and from across the internet. Organize them into collections and seamlessly integrate your findings into reports with the programs you use every day. Nexis Hub streamlines your research process from start to finish, allowing you to gather snippets of information, including URLs and metadata, all with the click of a button. Each snippet is automatically saved to collections, meaning you never have to worry about copy-paste or computer errors again. Nexis Hub accelerates your time to insight and reduces information loss by allowing you to gather and view all of your research in one place. Your findings can be easily curated into collections, which helps you to identify trends, connections, and opportunities more quickly and efficiently. Nexis Hub connects directly with Google Chrome and Microsoft Word to give you seamless access to your findings alongside their metadata and your annotations right from within the programs you use every day. The result? Up to 50% less time spent on research and more time to spend on what matters. Are you ready to accelerate from insights to action? Try Nexis Hub today.